Juha here again from 𝗍𝗫 and hey, if you want to get free amazing ebook roadmap to success where I say all secret how you can make $100 to $300 instant commissions daily, comment start or check out my bios link and you can when you come to landing page just add your name and your email and you immediately get my free present. It's amazing book because I have been now living laptop lifestyle 5 years. First I moved to Chiang Mai, I lived there 1 year and then I lived in amazing Vietnam. I lived there 2 years. Then when the COVID came, I needed to come. Yeah, the Prime Minister of Vietnam said that all foreigners out, you know. And one year in Finland, and now I have been remote working 1 year here in amazing Turkish Riviera, Antalya. So my point is that if 5 years ago I get this all information what is in this book, I will save 5 years of my time because I was struggling so much. The problem is that there's too much. If you want to make any passive income online or make some remote work or laptop lifestyle, if you Google it or if you check any instructions from YouTube, there's 10 million different solutions and tools and you get so it's like information overload. So if I get this book, what I want to give for you 100% free, I would save 5 years of my time because this book, Roadmap to Success, there's every best tools and steps what you can just copy paste and add your own twist and open best, promote best products and there's all secrets how to get 100 leads a day, how to make traffic to your offer. Because even we have, let's say, we have the best system in the world how to make money online, but if we don't have any traffic and visitors, business is zero. So that system itself, it's like, let's say, Ferrari or Lamborghini of online business. But if you don't have petrol in your tank, no gas, you cannot drive your Ferrari or whatever car. So traffic is like that petrol, and that book, Roadmap to Success, also teaches everything about that. So comment start or check out my bios link and you will save 5 years of used time.